Flight boarding akan berlepas pada jam 9.
రెండు పెద్దలుగా రెండు పెద్దలు రెండు పెద్దలు ఓపెన్ దగ్గర పెద్దలుగా ఓపెన్ దగ్గర
Nearly at the top. This is a lot steeper than it looks from the bottom. Well, there's no doubt about it. Going down those steps is a lot easier than going up them. However, the guy I think who designed all the steps in Kuala Lumpur probably also designed those. I don't think any two of them were the same distance apart. It's a pretty big climb. There's a 270 some steps to the top. And once you get inside, there's probably another 100 steps up and down just to get to the very top of the cave. So it's quite a climb. And that's Batu Caves. If you ever come to KL, they're definitely worth the trip. And you can get there on one of the commuter train lines. In fact, the terminus of one of the train lines is at Batu Caves. Of course, you can also take a taxi or a Grab car. Grab, of course, is the Southeast Asian equivalent of Uber. And I've had nothing but good experiences with them so far. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like these videos, please subscribe.